Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? Today, I'm stepping into the heart of the home with a guide on how to start a kitchen supplies store online. If you're looking to make some money while enhancing culinary experiences, stay tuned for a kitchen wisdom and some business tips.
All right, let's learn how to start a kitchen supplies business online. I know you clicked on this video because you want to make a lot of money, which is great because the kitchen supplies industry is expected to hit $25 billion by 2026. Products like cookware sets and cutlery cost under $10 and sell for at least triple. This is a business that you can start without much stress, and the products are always in demand. Step one is to get a business plan. I want you to head over to Fiverr.com and in the search bar type in business plan. This is going to reveal hundreds of freelancers who are going to help you identify your target audience and their preferences for kitchen products. Step two, you're going to decide on your kitchen supplies inventory. Not everybody has the same taste or budget, so remember, when you're picking products, offer a wide range and selection that caters to everyone. Step 3 is one of the most important steps. You need to find reliable suppliers, and there's different methods to do this. Method 1 is to find a dropship supplier. That way, you don't have to buy any of the inventory up front. To do this, head on over to Google and type in dropship kitchen supplies, and that's going to reveal hundreds of companies who actually dropship the products directly to your customer's door. One of my favorite websites is called Wholesale. They have over 1 million dropship products, including kitchen products, and they're pretty well known across the internet. They offer a wide variety of dropshipping plans for an affordable price, and you can even browse their entire catalog for free before signing up. Okay, the second method for finding a supplier is a self-fulfillment method. This means that you need to buy your own inventory, warehouse it, and ship it out to your customers. So if you want to do this instead, just go to Google, type in wholesale kitchen supplies. That's going to reveal tons of different companies that will sell you the products in bulk. You can sort through all the different options and see what best fits your store's inventory budget. Remember, when you're buying wholesale, you can actually buy these items tax-free, but you're going to need to file some paperwork. The paperwork that's required is called a retail merchant certificate, or sometimes it's called a reseller permit. And you can get this from your Secretary of State's office. The application is usually found on their website and can range from free to $50 per year, depending on your state's rules. And here's an example of what those certificates actually look like. You'll give this to the wholesale supplier to set you up with a tax-free purchasing account. The next step is to register your business and set up your business bank account. If you want to get your paperwork done really quickly, you could just go to mycorp.com and file as a sole proprietor or as an LLC. They'll get you set up with the incorporation paperwork and your EIN number. Being in business for over 20 years, they've priced their startup packages affordably at only $99 plus the filing fees. Your paperwork will come back in a couple days, and then you can just give that to the bank. Some people like to use local banks for their business and their merchant accounts. I like to use Square. They're very easy to work with, and not only is the account free, but Square integrates directly into your website so you can get paid out the same day. They also have debit cards, and they offer credit lines based upon your sales revenue. That's called Square Capital. The next step is to get your website created for your kitchen supply store. I usually use Bluehost. They're really easy to get set up with, and they give a lot of extra freebies with their packages that others don't. Get on their website, find a domain name for your website, and then buy a hosting package. Once you buy the hosting package with them, just make sure to save the login credentials. You're going to go back to Fiverr.com to find a website designer. The website designer is then going to ask you for the Bluehost and the Square merchant details to get set up. Type in the search bar website design. Personally, I like to use WordPress website designers because they're really easy to work with, and WordPress websites can be built for you in under 3 days. The next step is to create your kitchen supplies logo and your branding. I like to use 99 Designs because they have quick turnaround times and they just really do a good job at developing strong brand identities, which is needed when you're marketing an online business. After you get your designs back, the next step is to start marketing your kitchen supply store. Here's a list of the target audiences that you're going to need to be marketing to, and some of the strategies that you'll need to use in order to bring awareness and purchase consideration to your store. Congratulations, you now own a kitchen supplies store. So, how much money can you actually make? Well, let's talk about it. The average startup revenue for kitchen supply stores online is around $20,000 to $60,000 per year. And if you're starting this business as a dropship store, then the startup cost is really low at $500 to $1,000 to start. But if you plan to buy your own inventory, store things in your own warehouse, and ship out to customers, plan on spending about $30,000 to $40,000 to start. Giving away my new marketing strategy book series for free. So if you want it, just go to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away.
If you like this video or you know someone who needs to see it today, tag your friends, hit like, and please give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.